So why are airline stock prices dropping? What's up guys? Luis bringing you guys another quick video. And I just wanted to make a video covering airline stock prices and why they're recently dropping a lot. So I have a whole watch list here of airlines that I closely follow. I have Delta, United Airlines, Lufthansa, American Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and even Jet, which is just basically like a airlines global ETF, right? And you can see they're all down by a significant amount. Um, Delta Airlines in the last, I have it here on the weekly chart. Actually, I'll put it on the daily here. On the daily chart in the last week and a half, it's down 22%. United Airlines, it's down 23%. American Airlines, same thing, 33% on American Airlines. And why is that? Why are they down so much recently? And I made a video about this a couple of days ago. It basically all has to do with the rising oil prices, right? So when we look at ticker symbol USO, United States Oil, you can see overnight hours, it's up 14%. So it's trading at levels of about 124, $124. And it closed at 108 on Friday, and it went up 3.5% in Friday after hours. So you can see USO is just absolutely ripping right now. And I have it here on the weekly chart. You can see from early February alone, it is up what 56%, between 50 and 60% on ticker symbol USO since early February. So that's been just about a month. So increasing oil prices, that's bad news for the airlines, right? Jet fuel is extremely expensive. It's one of the most volatile costs for airlines, and that's just going to cut into margins. So I believe airline guidance hasn't really changed much recently, but with these rising oil costs, jet fuel's prices are bound to go up, and there's less people traveling. I think major airline hubs have been closing due to the Middle East tensions, and there's just less money in airlines right now. But is now the time to buy into them? That's really the question, right? I think, in my personal opinion, now is not the time to buy just yet, just because we don't have any signs of tensions easing, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure, I think we can all kind of agree that once tensions ease, once news comes out that, airline hubs are opening back up, that, wars are kind of slowing down, getting called off maybe. I think these stocks are definitely going to rebound, but I think we're not just at that point yet. And, just as they've gotten cheap, like I always say, the cheap can always get cheaper. So they're down 23% right now. They could always come down another 10% and be down 30%, right? So they could come down to the 200 moving average. We don't really know yet. It depends how bad the situation gets and how much oil prices continue to go up, right? And I just want to remind you guys, this doesn't only affect the airlines. This also affects companies like FedEx, for example, that uses airlines for a lot of shipping and transportation. So FedEx was down 3.8% on Friday and down 3.7% in overnight trading hours, or in overnight hours. So you can see from highs of 391, FedEx is down, it's that trading at 345 right now. So what is that? 12%. Yeah, down 12% on FedEx. So it's also affecting UPS. Pretty similar situation with UPS. It's down 1.5% in overnight hours. So trading from levels of 120 in early February down 20%, basically almost 20%, about yeah, about 17% on UPS. So this is affecting a lot of global transportation companies, a lot of companies that use airlines, jet fuel, anything like that. It's affecting the prices, and it's something to just keep an eye out for, right? If we see, like I said, if we see tensions are easing, if we see that oil prices are starting to come down, I think these stocks are definitely going to rebound, but we're just not at the point yet. And like I said, the cheap can always get cheaper. The situation can still get worse. Oil prices can continue to go up, and until then, I think right now it's best to kind of stay on the sidelines, let let the market react, let the market price these things in, and we can probably get some deals. So yeah, I just want to hear what you guys have to say about this, what your thoughts are on recent oil prices, what stocks you guys are watching, and yeah, let me know what you guys are watching. Drop it in the comments. I'm interested to hear what you guys are thinking, and I'm excited to follow up on these stocks in the coming weeks. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.